Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to harness the power of Monday.com for knowledge sharing. This is your complete 2025 guide. Our first step is creating a knowledge base board. Jump into your Monday.com dashboard and click the plus new button at the top left. Choose board from the drop-down menu and select knowledge base. Now you might wonder why we start here. Well, this step is crucial as it's where all your information will be stored, making it easy for team members to access and share knowledge. Next up, we're going to customize our board. Click on the Add Group button. You can use groups to categorize your knowledge base, such as by department or project type. The reason we do this is to make it easier for team members to find the information they need quickly. No more endless scrolling. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding pulses. These are the individual items within each group, which could be documents, how-to guides, or FAQs. Click on the Add Pulse button, type in the name of your item, and hit Enter. This helps us because it breaks down the information into easily digestible chunks. Let me explain why the next step matters. We're going to attach files to these pulses. Click on the paperclip icon next to your pulse and upload your file. This could be a Word document, a PDF, or a link to a video. By attaching files, you're giving your team members access to the detailed knowledge they need to excel in their roles. Here's what's happening behind the scenes with the final step, setting board permissions. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Board Permissions. You can choose who can view and edit your board. This is vital for ensuring the right information gets to the right people. And there you have it. With these 5 key steps, you've created a knowledge base on Monday.com that encourages knowledge sharing. Remember, the main aim here is to make it as easy as possible for team members to find and share information. To wrap things up, Monday.com isn't just a project management tool, it's also a powerful platform for knowledge sharing. By creating a knowledge base, customizing it to suit your needs, and setting the right permissions, you're empowering your team with the information they need to thrive. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.